Tanzania has signed an agreement to build the final 506-kilometer-long section of its standard gauge railway line. Expected to begin operations in 2027, the government says the railway will give the country a massive economic advantage.
The goal was to connect Tanzania, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. There is no doubt that this section between Tabora and Kigoma and the one between Uvinza and Msongati Kindu will open Tanzania up and connect it to the DRC on its eastern side, where there are large volumes of cargo that need to be transported through the Indian Ocean and onto the world market.
Chinese state company China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation that built the Tanzania-Zambia railway line in the 1970s is one of the two companies given the task of constructing the remaining section.
CCECC has built more than 3,415 kilometers railways, more than 600 kilometers highways, and has employed more than 30,000 Tanzania employees in Tanzania. That means we have contributed to the economic and social development of the Tanzania.
The Tanzanian government says the new railway line will reduce transportation costs between the port of Dar es Salaam and the Democratic Republic of Congo, which currently ranges from $6,000 to $15,000 per ton. Once the railway is complete, the cost is expected to go down to about $4,000, with transportation time falling from 30 days by truck to around 30 hours by train. Tanzania's railway system has two existing networks, Tazara, which links the city of Dar es Salaam to Zambia, and the central line connecting it to Kenya and Uganda. Once complete, the country's standard gauge railway is expected to open up eastern DRC, which potentially has 150 million tons of minerals that require transportation. The standard gauge railway has so far cost $10 billion, much of which is borrowed, something critics argue is burdening the country with debt.
To those who say that this administration has borrowed heavily, I say this is the administration that has built the entire railway line, and we couldn't have built it with local resources alone.
Construction of this last section of rail is expected to begin in 2023. The Tanzanian government hopes that the railway's completion will be a source of employment and long-term economic benefits for the country and its people. Isaac Lukando, CGTN, Dar es Salaam.